Hi, John. I got your ad up right here. I was reading through your writing. Not a whole lot to say right here as far as your observations with the ad, compiling the ad, etc. So let's just go ahead and take a look at the ad itself. Now, I do want to address something that you said regarding the color of the font, and I agree. And I think there's a really super easy fix here in that regard. So let's go ahead and start taking a look at the ad. So I think it's mechanically, I think it's pretty sound. A little bit of imbalance here based on the fact that all of your type is to the left of the composition. So is the image of the wine glasses. Now, I do have a question. Is this the masked image? The wine glasses. It's really interesting. I really would like to know because if not, if it is, it's done beautifully. If it's not, then we have an issue because of the fact that we do need to include the masked image in this assignment. So let me know, please, if you would, if this is the masked image. I can't tell because of the AI, the Adobe Illustrator wasn't submitted here. So, and that's fine, but I just want to know if that's the masked image of the wine glasses. If not, don't forget, one of the requirements is to include the masked image here for the final submission, which is coming up here in a couple of weeks. So, all right, so as far as the mechanics of this ad goes, I think there's a couple of things that we can do. And I think the headline subhead is a little too low in the composition. I would move it up. Let's start that right about here. So right about here. Okay, so you have let's do this. And then I'm going to go ahead and suggest you use the purple logo. We could use a little bit of color here in the bottom of the ad. So the purple logo, that's the one with the purple background, this one right here. And that's going to serve two purposes. Number one, it's going to add a little bit of needed color to the bottom of the ad. Number two, it's going to allow you to create harmony by changing the color of the black type to the purple from the background of that logo. You could also consider using the two color logo, this one right here. You could consider using that if you want to try to incorporate one of the other colors into the type. But using the purple ad and the purple logo as an example. So purple logo goes down right here. Then you change the color of the subhead and headline to purple, and even the body copy. But I'll talk about that in a second. The contact information is too high in the composition. I would move that down right around here so it's right across from the logo. At that point, so as I said, you move the headline up a little bit, move the subhead up. The subhead needs to be a little bit closer to the headline. So you have let's do this, relax and recharge. Okay. Then what I would do, instead of just going to 25% off a couples package, I would go ahead and assemble a small paragraph that's giving information on Amethyst Bay as well as the promotion. So you have headline, subhead, then over here. So we're going to redistribute some of the weight here so it's not so heavy to the left. You have headline, subhead, and a little paragraph of body copy right here. And again, that's Arial regular. Then we have contact information here and logo right here. And that's assuming that these are the masked image. And it's really important that they are. I'm not sure if they are. I mean, they look like they're part of the actual background image. So let me know, please, if you would, about that image. Otherwise, then, like as I said, the requirement of the masked image from 2-1 is not here. So I think if you try those changes, I think it's really going to bring a good amount of harmony and consistency to the ad. I think it's going to improve the overall color image harmony, and I think it's going to create a higher degree of emphasis, thereby improving thereby improving the hierarchy of the ad. Okay, so those are my recommendations. I'd like to see those changes made for your final submission. And if you have any questions at all right now, please let me know. I'll be glad to make any necessary clarifications. All right, great. Thank you very much.